Now, News 5 investigates. Like many of you, our Bill Riles was stuck with what to do with a tree that fell during Hurricane Sally and damaged his house. While many homeowners are able to break out the chainsaws and take care of business, in some cases, it's a job for the pros. And Bill got a front row seat to watch them work at what could be one of the most dangerous jobs in hurricane recovery.
It didn't take long to decide what to do when we saw this mess. It's not as bad as the mess many others had after Sally hit, but too big a job for me to handle with limited fallen tree knowledge, especially the way it was all over the house.
And so one of the things we're going to have to do is get a professional in here.
That's where Dylan and his team in Baldwin County came in. They're from Monster Tree Service in Baldwin County, one of many reputable tree removal and arborist companies who've stayed extremely busy after Sally. He agreed this was not a job for someone who doesn't work with trees often, like me.
Not when you've got a tree half broken out and it's on the house. There's compression and tension in the branches every which way it's going.
In this case, and because of where it was located, the company thought lifting it out with a crane was the best option. But in order to do that, he had to climb into what was once the top of the longleaf pine and cut away branches that could get hung up and cause more damage.
There's enough of it still holding onto the trunk to where it wasn't going to shift when I got my weight on it. So,
right.
I had to figure that out first. And, there's branches interwoven in underneath the little trussels there.
But it didn't take long, and soon large portions of the pine were airborne. And we're grateful there wasn't more damage. At my house, Bill Riles, WKRG News 5.
Now, for many, hiring a tree service is pricey. Some can use homeowners insurance, others can't. We've included some links to help you out with this story at WKRG.com. Those are links to companies and volunteers who are working to remove trees for free for those who cannot afford it or who are otherwise unable to get it done.